Hello!
Welcome
to Coldwater Lake.
Woo!
First time kayaking on Coldwater Lake. Finally. It's all clouded up down below, but up here, blue sky.
Blue sky, some sunshine.
Yeah, mountain's covered up, but
can't see the mountain, but
beautiful.
It's a great day for kayaking.
Yeah, first time out in 2022, so.
All right, let's show you around the lake.
Yeah,
Let's go.
let's have some fun.
Do it. Bye.
And we got that guy. Got the Logano on location.
On theme.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey, watch it back there, buddy. Come on, you.
Come on, you Jake Quillen.
Jeez.
Ah!
Jeez.
Trying to sink my battleship.
What is this, the Phantom Menace? There's a old stump, probably that got obliterated when 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption occurred. That actually made this lake, actually. So amazing. So many tree stumps. Oh, they're leaving me. I better go. All right, let's go. Now we're completely on the south side of Coldwater Lake. We're in like a little lagoon type area.
Sunshine.
And sunshine, no wind. Whoosh.
Sunday, and I said no.
Oh, would you look at that? Look at that new shirt. Not bad, huh? Pretty cool.
Oh, she has one?
20 seconds.
We're drifting
Ooh.
still.
Two.
Nice relaxing day. It's getting deep here.
Go to the future.
See,
just like
it's getting real deep.
Just
What
for,
year
like, the day.
would you like to
Just
be
for the day.
reincarnated?
I would.
Carnated.
If I could-
Carnated.
Well, if I'm
Carnated.
Bill and Ted, I could go to the past.
Alright. It's getting a little bit cloudy. Wind's picking up. These swells out here are getting a little big. I'm gonna paddle in over there to the cove. Oh, it's getting big out here. Oh my god. Holy moly. Oh. Oh. Oh, much better. Oh,
Whoa.
that was intense there for a second. I had to get my towel because I'm soaked.
I feel like I wasn't even moving anywhere.
just entered the toilet zone.
Well, that is it for today's adventure at Coldwater Lake, and we were going to take you to see the mountain.
At
but
Johnson's Bridge, but
yeah,
it's all socked in now.
can't see nothing.
Went above the lake and it's all socked in. Yeah. Great yakking adventure today. So
Yeah,
awesome. On to the next.
great time. All right, well, thanks for joining us today on our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Trying to sink my battleship.
What is this? The Phantom Menace? Oh, blah, blah. We have a sneeze attack in progress. Stand by. Is he okay? Is he okay? He's still afloat. Still moving. I think he's all right. Check. There's a sign posted that we can't go on the island. $80 to go to the top. Fine.
Yeah.
The wind is pushing us all the way down the lake. It's gonna be tough coming back.
Or if you could just travel to the feel like Bill and Ted. Bill and Ted's
getting
Excellent
deeper.
Adventure.
Go to the future,
See,
just like
it's getting real deep.
Just
What
for
year
like the day.
would you like to
just
be
for the day.
reincarnated?
I would
Carnated.
if I could,
Carnated.
well, if I'm
Carnated?
Bill and Ted, I could go to the past.
Okay.
I don't know when the first human was here. And then I
Ooh.
could,
2 million BC.
Hola. And then I could.
Never mind, I don't want 2 billion
teach it how to talk.
BC because there's probably
Not
dinosaurs.
not-
And I don't
don't
want to get
pollute.
eaten by a dinosaur because that would
This
hurt
big no
real
no.
bad.
don't pollute the environment.
Worship me as your god. I'm gonna go back to 4 billion years from now. Have
You're
fun.
gonna train a dinosaur to be your slave, your pet.
All blue.
No, mammoth.
A mammoth. Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, a
What if
woolly
I took,
mammoth.
Like
Call it woolly.
Yeah, like
A
a
DNA.
Call it
DNA
Uncle Wool.
Fragment of a mammoth, or no, just like a whole DNA of a mammoth. And then
Oh, they're going to find one when the ice caps, like when all the ice starts melting. I
Oh,
bet
it's
they
already
will find
melted,
one.
lady.
No, I'd want to do like a velociraptor.
Something that
And then
like
I could
people
be-
don't even know
I
even
could be
It
Chris-
existed.
just gets mad at you and just
I could
rips
be
your head off.
Chris Pratt. I could
Yeah,
be
good
like,
It's gonna be Jurassic
easy,
Park.
easy,
Ultimate.
easy, easy.
Oh, blue.
Blue.
42.
You know me. I could basically